Okay, so you have had a chance to read over the math message for today, which was Social Studies Club wants to make paper mache globes. They will mix 3/4 cups white glue with half a cup of water. The club has 9 members. They have 1 quart of water. The first question is, do they have enough water? So we're going to talk about some strategies that hopefully some of you used. I'm going to show you 4 different ones. You might have an additional, a 5th one, and that's okay. So the first thing I want to figure out is, what do I know? What do I need to find out? So when I go back in there, I know the recipe, mixing it up. It has 3/4 cup of white glue and 1/4 cup of water. But the question is, do they have enough water? So, do I need the glue number? No. I'm going to start with 1/4 cup of water. So if there's 9 members and each person needs a 1/4 cup, what am I going to add 9 times? That's right, 1/4. So I could show it like this. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I get, because it's 1 times 9, 9/4. I bet you a lot of people might have done that. I'm wondering if anybody did this one, multiplication. So when we're multiplying a fraction, here we got a 1/4 cup, and we're timesing it by the whole number of 9. That 9 is the members in the club. This is the 1/4 cup of water per member. So the same thing we did over here, because remember, multiplication really is just repeated addition done in a short way. So again, denominator is not going to change. That's going to stay 4ths. How many 4ths do we need? 1 times 9 is 9. 9/4. Did anybody draw a picture? So maybe you said, okay, here's one person. There's a 1/4 cup. So maybe you showed it this way. So far I have 4 people. I need 4/4 of a cup, which means 1 cup, right? Maybe my next one, here's 4 more people. So now I'm at 2 cups. And we still have 1 more person, so that's another 4th. So my final answer would be 1, 2, and 1/4. Is this the same answer as this? We've done this. We've talked about improper fractions turning into a mixed number, because it's showing us when you have a numerator that's bigger than your denominator, it's saying, oh, you have holes in there. So 4/4 equals 1 whole. So if we kept subtracting, like take the 9/4 and subtracted that 1 whole, I'd be left with 5/4. I still have an improper fraction. So I'd take away another 4/4 for a final answer, 1/4. So then I have 1, 2, 2, and 1/4. So this is the same as that. It's just shown in a different way. Fraction circles. So if I was showing the whole, the denominator is going to tell us what we're dividing it into. So here's 4/4, right? Here's my next one. There's another 4/4. So I'm at to 8. And then I show that final one. I guess I could just draw it like that. Right? Plus 1/4. So different ways to get to that answer. The next question they want us to look at is, between what 2 whole numbers does it fall? They mean, here's your answer, 2 and 1/4. I'll kind of show you over here. 2 and 1/4. So if I were to put this on a number line, I'm talking about going in between the number 2, because that's a whole number, and what's the next whole number? 3. 2 and 1/4 would be 1, 2, 3. So 2 and 1/4 would be right here. So what 2 whole numbers does it fall in between? It falls in between the number 2 and the number 3. So you would write 2 and 3. All right. I'm going to write down the next problem. If you want to now take a moment and try to solve the next one, it's again about the Social Studies Club, but they're just asking you to use different information this time. So give it a try, and then I'll post another video.